How often have you found yourself pondering over the secret recipe that turns a seemingly ordinary YouTube video into a viral sensation? Well, today we're going to unravel the mystery behind this phenomenon, step by step. Firstly, it's crucial to understand that going viral isn't typically the outcome of sheer luck or chance. It's a meticulously planned process, heavily reliant on a thorough understanding of your audience, their interests, and the current trends. Step 1 in this process is to create engaging content. The heart of every viral video is the content itself. But what exactly is engaging content? It's content that resonates with your audience, that piques their curiosity, makes them laugh, or pulls at their heartstrings. It's content that compels them to share it with their friends, family, and followers. So, before you even hit the record button, put yourself in your audience's shoes and ask yourself, would I share this? Moving on to step 2, which is optimizing your video for SEO. Just like a website, your YouTube video needs to be easily discoverable. This can be achieved by using relevant keywords in your title, description, and tags. Keep in mind though that while keywords are important, they should feel natural and not forced. Step 3 is all about promoting your video. Even the most engaging content can get lost in the vast sea of videos on YouTube if it's not promoted well. Share your video on all your social media platforms, collaborate with other YouTubers, or even consider investing in YouTube ads. Now, step 4 might seem a bit counterintuitive, but it's equally important. You need to be consistent and patient. Going viral doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistent effort, regular uploads, and sometimes a lot of patience. Finally, step 5 is about engaging with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage your viewers to like, share, and subscribe. Remember, YouTube is a community, and communities thrive on interaction. So, to summarize, going viral on YouTube is a 5-step process. Create engaging content, optimize your video for SEO, promote your video, be consistent and patient, and engage with your audience. Bear in mind, while this process increases the chances of your video going viral, there are no guarantees. But by following these steps, you're giving your video the best shot at becoming the next viral sensation. Remember, at the end of the day, it's not just about going viral. It's about creating content that you're proud of and that your audience loves. So keep creating, keep sharing, and who knows, your video might just be the next big thing on YouTube.